Hey guys, what's up? So, you guys know that I recently moved, so I had a ton of PR packages. I stumbled upon this one. This is the new Huda Beauty Power Bullets. I think that they came out a few weeks ago, not exactly sure when, but it is the Throwback collection. Yes, I love anything 90s. So I was like, I have to film with this. You guys seem to like the last swatch video. So I was like, let me pull these lipsticks together and show you guys the new shades. Let me know if you like these types of videos, if you want me to do more. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And now let's jump into the swatches. For the new collection, there are 8 shades. They came in this cute little bag. I will also link the previous video in case you guys want to see the other shades and my initial review on these. These are like a semi-matte formula. They are priced at $25, which I thought was a little bit over what I thought they were worth, but I still think that they are a great lipstick. I would purchase these with my own money. Now, some of these shades are really calling my name, so I'm excited to swatch them and see how I like them. She has some pink shades in there, a warm and cool. She has the brown, the classic 90s brown in cool and warm as well. And there's also like a peachy tone and one that's a little bit more mauve. So I'm gonna start from the lightest to the deepest shade and jump right into it. Let's go with Prom Night. So this shade is described as a biscuit pink. Not really sure what that means, but that was it says on the website, and it is a warm tone. And I'm pretty sure the formula is identical. It's very pigment packed, comfortable. I really like that like pointed end so that you can perfectly draw out your lip line. Now I pair everything with a lip liner, but I won't be pairing any of these because I want you to see the true color against my skin tone without being altered. So this is this shade, same exact formula. It's a really comfortable matte, but it's more like a semi-matte. You can still press your lips together. They don't feel dry. So it is like a moisturizing matte. It doesn't have a lot of sheen, which is one thing that I love about them, especially in the lighter shades. I believe in the deeper shades with the last collection I swatched, the deeper it got, it did seem to get a little bit more sheen. But right now they still look pretty matte. They look really good and they feel very comfortable. The next shade is Girls Trip. So this one is going to give you the look of a matte lipstick, but it's not going to give you the wearability. It's not going to stay on all day. It's still going to have transfer, but it is going to be comfortable. So you're kind of giving up that all day wearability from a liquid lipstick, but you're still getting a very similar look without the drying factor that also comes with a liquid lipstick, which I personally don't mind, but sometimes it is irritating. You don't want to deal with that all day. So you want to throw on a lipstick that still has that matte look to it. These are a really bomb option. So pretty. This is Girls Trip, which I really like. This collection is supposed to be very nostalgic. I am an 80s baby, but I grew up in the 90s, and I feel like the 90s is probably one of the best generations, if not the best. I feel like the music was bomb, the style was bomb, the entire era was a vibe. So I'm totally here for these lipstick shades. And I feel like she tapped into my like 90s kid with this collection. I was like, I'm doing it. I don't care when this collection came out. I definitely want to swatch these and see if I get those nostalgic vibes. Because I wasn't wearing lipstick back in the 90s. Obviously, I was a kid. So maybe I can wear them now. All right, really quick before we jump into the next shade. Am I the only one that's shook because this decade is almost over? I feel like this year just started and now we're already starting a completely new decade and a new year. New Year's is my favorite holiday. Yeah, I guess it would be a holiday. New Year's is my favorite. It's something about like that clean slate, just kind of starting over and just kind of getting a new chance to do some amazing things in a new year, which is something that I love about the New Year's. It's something that I've always enjoyed about it. And I'm also a winter baby. So once the new year comes, I know that my birthday is shortly around the corner, which always makes me really excited. The next one we have is First Kiss. This is a warm shade that's described as a pinky brick shade. Okay, let's see what pinky brick looks like. Okay, I can kind of see where they're going with that name. So this one is more mauve-y. I feel like when I went into the lip swatches in the last video, I was kind of skeptical about loving the formula as much as I do, but I really do enjoy this formula. I've worn them quite a few times. So I was like, let me share with the people the new colors because I'm really digging this formula. So this is First Kiss. So you guys can see that you will get that transfer. And it does come off very easy as well. So it's a traditional lipstick with more pigment than a traditional lipstick and more of that matte component. Definitely needed that coffee break today. The next shade that we have is Wedding Day. And I love the gradient on the lipstick so you can see the shade that you're getting or something that's very close to it. It's really nice. And this one is described as a soft caramelized pink. This is on the cool spectrum. This one's really pretty too. I'm actually really digging the cool lipsticks from this collection. Wedding day, wedding day. And this is in the natural pinks. And then we're stepping into the spice browns, and that's going to give me what I need to take me back to that era. Next we have Board Meeting, which is described as a spiced cinnamon mocha. Pretty. I can tell that I'm really gonna like this one. Oh, yes. This is what I was looking for. Are y'all feeling it as much as I'm feeling it? Please let me know. Because I'm like, yes, this is it. Video's done. This is the shade. This is a shade that I was looking for. It does give me that nostalgia. So this is Board Meeting. It is that warm cinnamon mocha shade, which is perfection. This might be my favorite shade of the collection, so I'm gonna put that one to the side. I also really liked Wedding Day. I think so far those are my two favorites, so I'm gonna keep those to the side. Late Night is the next shade, and this one is described as a deep chocolate brown. Doesn't look super deep, but it is chocolatey. Let me see how it goes on. And this is that cool tone as well. The shade is pretty and definitely 90s, but it's not super deep. Well, for me. This is Late Night. This one's okay. I'm definitely feeling Board Meeting more. I like to lean towards the warmer browns, but this is the cool version of it. This one's almost giving me like a purple undertone as well, in addition to that brown. I had to scrub my lips so hard before this video. I did like that fresh like lip polish because it is winter and my lips are hella dry right now. I actually think that I'm gonna film a video with my favorite like lip products and exfoliants because I struggle with hella dry lips and I do the most to make sure that my lips are always like supple and soft and look like this, so I'm not coming on here looking like a chappy mess. So let me know if you guys want to see that video. I think that that's the next one I'm going to film because I love doing like lip videos, but we should also talk about lip care as well. Here we have Game Night, which is said to be a super hot brown. This one looks really promising. Let's see. Yes, this is totally 90s. I really like this shade too. So when it comes to the browns, I really like the warm shades, but when it came to the first two, like the pink shades, I really like the cool tones. Yes, okay. This is another one of my favorites. This is Game Night. Looks so good on, and I think that this one will look amazing on every single skin tone. So pretty. Actually, I feel like this one might be knocking Board Meeting out of my top spot. No, Board Meeting is my favorite, and then this one is my second favorite, and Wedding Day is my third. We have the last one to do, which is Dirty 30. This is from their 90s brown tones. Here we have Dirty 30, and this one is described as a sassy, purpley brown. You can totally see that purple in there. This one is very cool. I like this one too though. Okay, this is this one. I feel like it washes me a little bit. I would definitely have to pair this with a lip liner or something that's a little bit deeper. But I feel like anybody can wear any lip shade, almost any lip shade, with the right lip liner and the confidence to do it. So don't let somebody tell you that a lip does not work for you, like a certain tone. I know so many people that are like, I can't wear red, blah, 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 it doesn't look good on me. That just means you haven't found your red. So just go out there, keep testing different tones and different undertones, and you'll definitely find any lipstick in any range that looks good on you. But I like this one. I think that it's different, it's cool, and it's definitely giving me 90s vibes. Now let me show you guys some swatches, give you some quick final thoughts, and then you guys can continue to go about your day. So here are swatches of the full collection. From left to right, we have Prom Night, Girls Trip, First Kiss, Wedding Day, Board Meeting, Late Night, Game Night, and Dirty 30. Okay, so let me give you guys some final thoughts. Feel the same exact way as I felt before. I think that it is a great lipstick. I do think that it's still a little bit overpriced for $25. These do have more slip than a matte lipstick. So that's something that you want to keep in mind if you are using them. You have to be more careful with them because I feel like it's easier to like mess up and not have like that precision, even with the precision tip. So pairing these with a lip liner will definitely help. They don't tend to run or anything. Sometimes lipsticks tend to like run into like fine lines and kind of move around while you're talking and doing stuff throughout the day. That doesn't really happen with these lipsticks, which is something that I do like. And like I said, they give you that matte look. I didn't notice that as the shades got deeper that they got more shiny, which is something that I love and something that does happen at times. But yeah, that's basically everything that I have to say about it. I think Huda did a really great job with these lipsticks. They definitely are giving me 90s vibes, which is exactly what she wanted to get across with this collection. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. If you want to leave me any suggestions, I'm always open. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays to all of you guys. Happy New Year, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. So this is the full collection, guys. Some quick final thoughts. Actually, really do like the collection. I think I'm done. Just trying to get a thumbnail. What the F? Okay. These lipsticks have like magnets in them. So